In today's video, we're diving into the Roleplayr AI review. 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that's creating waves in the industry. If you're new to Roleplayr or wondering if it's worth your time, stick around because I'm going to cover everything you need to know to get started and decide if it's right for you. First things first, Roleplayr AI is designed to streamline conversational AI experiences for businesses and creatives alike. It helps simulate real-world interactions, making it a powerful tool for customer service, virtual assistants, and even enhancing digital experiences in gaming or training. This tool is all about using AI to replicate human-like dialogue in a way that feels authentic. What sets Roleplayr apart from other AI platforms is its focus on immersion and adaptability. Unlike many AI tools that rely on rigid preset scripts, Roleplayr offers dynamic, real-time conversations. It doesn't just spit out generic responses, but adjusts its tone, style, and complexity based on the conversation flow. This makes it perfect for use cases that demand a more personalized touch, like customer service, automation, or interactive storytelling. One of the things I love about Roleplayr is how easy it is to set up. It doesn't require advanced coding skills or a deep understanding of AI. With a user-friendly interface, you can quickly get started and customize the experience for your specific needs. If you've been struggling with other AI tools that are clunky or hard to configure, you'll appreciate how intuitive this one is. Roleplayr's strength is also in its ability to learn and evolve. Thanks to its machine learning algorithms, it can improve the quality of its conversations over time. This means the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding context and providing relevant responses, which is essential for any AI platform you'd want to scale up with. Another important feature is Roleplayr's integration capabilities. Whether you're working with a CRM, a help desk platform, or an e-commerce site, Roleplayr can easily be plugged into your existing infrastructure. This makes it incredibly versatile for businesses that want to streamline their customer interactions without overhauling their entire system. Now let's talk pricing. One thing that's great about Roleplayr is that you can try it for free from the first link below. This gives you a chance to explore the platform, test its features, and see how well it fits your needs before committing to a paid plan. And trust me, it's definitely worth testing out. As with any new software, there's a learning curve, but Roleplayr does a solid job at providing resources to help you along the way. From detailed tutorials to a helpful support team, you won't be left in the dark if you run into any issues. But here's the kicker. Roleplayr isn't just for businesses. Creatives and gamers can also make the most of it. Imagine creating a game character with lifelike dialogue or developing an interactive storytelling experience. The possibilities are vast, and Roleplayr makes it easy to tap into those opportunities. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit the link in the description below to try Roleplayr AI for free and experience its features firsthand. Also, if you're interested in discovering more tools that can help boost your business or creative projects, I've listed my recommended AI software below, tested by yours truly. In conclusion, Roleplayr AI is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance human-AI interactions. Whether you're in business, entertainment, or creative fields, its features and ease of use make it a top contender in the AI space. So, give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you.